Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into something that's going to excite every 3D printing enthusiast out there. Yes, I'm talking about the top 7 best new 3D printers you can get your hands on right now. Kicking things off at number 1 is the Bambu Lab H2D. Now, if you've dreamed about an all-in-one mini factory on your desk, wake up, it's here. Dual nozzle, multi-material 3D printing meets laser cutting and engraving in a sleek, user-friendly design. Imagine effortlessly switching from printing tough engineering filaments to crafting custom leatherwork with its laser module. Yeah, it's pricier, and you'll need space for its accessories. But seriously, the H2D delivers unmatched versatility and quality, becoming an instant favorite for crafters, small businesses, or anyone who loves to create without limits. At number 2, we've got the Formlabs Form 4L. Now, if you're serious about resin printing, listen closely. The Form 4L isn't just big, it's massive. Think about the possibility of printing an entire movie prop miniature overnight. That's the reality with the Form 4L. Unlike the older Form 3L, this beast has switched to MSLA technology, meaning no more annoying seam lines or those frustrating layer curing delays. Plus, with a pixel resolution of 46 microns, you're getting incredibly sharp details without the headache of overly technical tweaks. Sure, it's not your everyday hobbyist machine, but for creators aiming high, it's an absolute dream come true. Zooming into our number 3 spot, let's talk Prusa CORE One. Now, Prusa fans, rejoice. You've asked for it, and they've delivered. A Core XY printer that's sleek, speedy, and surprisingly quiet. If you love tinkering, the Core One is your playground. Its open design invites creative mods, even though it weirdly skipped out on some premium extras like a built-in camera at first. But thankfully, Prusa's sorted that now. Prusa's legendary quality shines here too, with buttery smooth first layers and speeds around 20% faster than the MK4S. It might hit your wallet a bit hard, but the flexibility and flawless prints justify every penny. Now, number 4 on our list is the Creality Hi Combo. This printer proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean compromise. Picture this: a super quick setup, integrated camera, RFID scanning, and up to 16-color printing capability thanks to Creality's clever CFS system. It's a bed slinger, sure, so environmental stability can be tricky. But honestly, for the quality of multicolor prints you're getting, like those stunning guitars and artistic skulls, it's a winner. This printer's all-metal build and ridiculously smooth user interface make it a solid choice if you want premium features without breaking the bank. Holding steady at number 5, we've got the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. Anycubic has jumped headfirst into the Core XY arena, and folks, they nailed it. With blazing fast speeds hitting up to 600 millimeters per second and a hot end reaching 320 degrees Celsius, you're practically future-proofing your setup. The star of the show here? The ACE Pro system. Imagine printing not just in 2 or 3 colors, but up to 8 vivid colors with stunning clarity. Yes, it takes a bit longer switching between colors, but when you see those detailed prints come to life, like that interactive Bluetooth speaker, it's worth every second. Sliding into the 6th spot is Kedai Plus4. This printer is the Cybertruck of 3D printers, bold, industrial, and strikingly futuristic. It's built like a tank with metal and glass everywhere. But don't let its tough looks fool you. It's incredibly intuitive and ideal for small businesses and educational settings. Whether you're printing helmets, tools, or high-end prototypes with PPS carbon fiber, PTCF, or even Kevlar blends, its heated build chamber means warping is practically a non-issue. Honestly, the only hiccup is a slightly sluggish interface, but considering its stellar print quality, it's easily overlooked. Finally, at number 7, we've got the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. FlashForge clearly learned from experience because this machine screams polished perfection for beginners. Think about it: automatic leveling, Core XY stability, and a lightning-fast warm-up time. Its touchscreen? Simply the best I've ever tapped on. Yeah, you'll spend a bit of initial time dialing in slicer settings, but once you do, it's a true workhorse. It won't blow your mind with exotic gimmicks, but if reliability and ease of use top your checklist, the Adventurer 5M deserves serious attention. And there you have it, the top 7 newest, most exciting 3D printers worth every moment of your attention. If you've enjoyed this roundup, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop your favorite printer from today's list in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating amazing things, and I'll see you soon.